Hello everyone, welcome to Nelson School online education program. Learn subject English grammar. The topic what we are doing is direct and indirect speech. Fair notebook exercise number 7. That is of imperative statements. Now exercise 7, put the sentence or change the sentences into indirect speech. Number 1, she said to her husband, take that heavy bag off your back and put it on the floor. So now said to, reporting verb. Now reported verb take, okay, and put. But take and put, both what you have to do is in imperative statements you have to begin with to, to, change it into infinitive. So it is to take, okay. Now the next is, third step is to go for the speaker, she, so circle it, her husband listener, so put a box. Now inside the reported speech the pronoun used is your, so it's a second person and only one pronoun is there, so it will, your second person pronoun changes with the listener, so listener is in third person, her husband, so it is he, okay. So your back changes to his back, so it is she ordered her husband, because reporting verb in imperative statements changes to please, pleaded, requested, ordered, commanded, like that, okay. So here she ordered her husband to take, okay. When you use to, infinitive to, the verb comes in its root form, so it is to take that heavy bag off his back and put it on the floor. Number 2, my mother said to me, leave me alone for a while, for I am too tired to help you do your work. So it is said to, reporting verb is said to, leave me alone, so it's leave me alone, so its mother is saying, so the mother requested the children or mother requested me, okay. Now you go for the reported verb, that is leave, okay. Then am and do, so it is this, you will put it to leave, okay. This am will be changed to was, okay, because it is simple present, so it changes to simple past, and do will remain same, to help, because it is to help do your or his work. So now the next step is to go for the speaker, so it is my mother is the speaker, then circle it, me is the listener, box it. Now inside the reported speech the pronouns used are me, first person circle, I first person circle, you second person box, your second person box. So the thing we have to do is now change first person according to the speaker. Speaker is mother, so it is she. Leave me alone changes to leave her alone. For I am tired changes to she was tired, okay. Now change second person pronouns according to the listener. So listener is in first person, so first person it is to help you, means to help me do your work changes to do my work, okay. And here you are going to put to infinitive, so that it becomes to leave her alone. So it is my mother requested me to leave her alone for a while, for she was too tired to help me do my work. Number 3, don't lose temper in any situation, his father said to him. So again it is said to, reporting verb. Now go for the reported verb, do not lose. So it is not to lose. Whenever negative word comes, so do not or did not changes to not to. So it is not to, okay, because it is again to, so lose will remain lose itself. Now next thing, there is no pronoun in the reported speech, so no need to go for the speaker and the listener. So it is his father advised him or suggested him, because father will advise. So it is his father advised him, because it is said, so advise will change to advised. So it is his father advised him not to lose temper in any situation. Here children, comma will be replaced, means comma will be removed but won't be replaced with conjunction that, as it is taught to you in the explanation link, that the conjunction that is dropped off in the imperative statements and even in the interrogative statements. Now next is, he said to you, don't be hasty or you might commit some serious mistake. So again it is said to, okay. Now here again the verb is, reported verb is do not be, so it is not to be hasty, okay. Might is the model that is used. Now if it is may, you can change to might, but if it is already might, we won't change. Next thing, speaker is he, listener is you, so put a box. Now reported speech, the pronoun used is you, second person pronoun, so it will change with the listener. Now the listener is itself in the second person pronoun, so you won't change. Now if somebody is telling you do not be hasty, so you can say suggested me or advised me. So he advised you not to be hasty, or you might commit some serious mistake. Why? Because here second person moves with the listener and listener itself is in second person, so this won't change. Number 5, the old man said, "O God, help me in my hour of sorrow." So it is said. The old man is saying to whom? To the God. Okay. So it is praying. He is praying it. So the old man prayed. We'll write the old man said. Instead of said, we'll write prayed, because when we speak something to the God, we pray usually. Fine. Now next is reported verb. So it is help. So that changes to help. Okay. Now next speaker is the old man. Okay. Now there's no listener. Now go in the reported speech. Me first person circle, my first person circle. Now first person changes with the speaker. Speaker is the old man, so it is in the third person, he. So we'll keep it he. So help him, help me changes to help him. In my hour will change to in his hour. So it becomes the old man prayed to the God or to God to help him in his hour of sorrow. Number 6, have patience and do me the favor of hearing my story, said he to his uncle. So it is said to reporting verb. Now you go for the reported verb, that is have. So it changes to have. Then it is do. So again, because it is with to only and is used, so it is to do only. So no need to put no need to change do to did. So it is only to do. Then it is, this is the verb. Okay, fine. Reported verb finished. Now go for the speaker. Speaker is he, so put a box. Listener is his uncle, so put a box. And he is the speaker, so put a circle. Now next thing, inside the inverted commas, the pronoun used is me, first person circle, my first person circle. Now first person changes with the speaker. Speaker is in third person, so me, do me the favor. So it becomes to do him the favor of hearing my story, changes to of hearing his story. Okay, so it is it will be he requested his uncle, because he's requesting to have the patience to hear the story. So it is he requested his uncle to have patience and do him the favor of hearing his story. Next, number 7, he said to the guests, please come in and make yourself comfortable. When you use the word please, so it is a request. So you can say he requested the guests, or he invited, because when the guests come and we are the host, so we invite them or request them to come in. Fine. So it is he invited the guests. So the reporting verb is said to. The reported verb is come. So come, you have to put here to come in. Fine. So this I have changed to infinitive. So this we have done. Next thing is to go for the speaker. He is the speaker, circle it. The guest is the listener, so you have to put a box. Now inside the inverted commas, the pronoun used is yourself, second person, so box it, and pronoun second person changes with the listener. Now these are the guests. First thing, they are in third person. Second thing, they are plural, because it is guests. Okay, so third person plural will be using they. Fine. So it is come in and make yourself changes to themselves. Okay. So he invited the guests to come in. This please we'll cut, and because of the please only we have changed the reporting verb said to invited. So he invited the guests to come in and make themselves, because it is plural. So it is themselves comfortable. Thank you.